I don't know what happened today, but I was crying this morning. I was just in the car. All of a sudden, I have to talk to somebody and hurt my feelings. I said, try to forget about it. Mag-makeup na lang ako and try to look good because I have a long day planned today. If you try it. And that particular time should not ruin my day. So okay. What do I do? My eyes are puffy. Yeah. I just cried. Somebody made me cry. But somehow, I still want to look good. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? You know what? We'll just make it happen. Because the girl needs to do what the girl needs to do. And this is not working out. Let's do this. So of course, like everyone else, kailangan mo maglagay ng cream. Kasi kung dry yung skin mo, tas nagme-makeup ka, it's gonna show yung mga texture sa ibabaw ng skin mo. If you're gonna skip yung moisturizer sa face mo, for sure lahat ng texture ng skin mo is going to show up. So, this is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Moisturize your skin before you put anything else. Doesn't matter, whatever works for you. Kung ano yung moisturizer na nag-work for you, just do it. That looks okay, right? And by the way, I use this one. It's by L'Oreal, and it gives you that little bit of glow. So, pagka, for example, dry yung skin mo, makikita mo na yung skin mo is glowing somehow. So just like today, it's not a good morning, but we're getting there. So of course, para sa lips, we gotta put some lip balm. You know what? Let's go straight with the foundation. And it's still in the bag. There we go. No, this is the concealer. For my foundation, I got this from Ulta just the other day. It's a new foundation stick, and this is my number, NC30. So let's just try that, and I'm gonna go straight and just apply it like that. That looks like my color, like you can't even see it, right? That's how it's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender, just like this. And pag hindi mo makita yung difference ng foundation mo sa face and sa neck mo, I guess you can tell that tama yung pinili mong foundation for you. So blending is the key here. Does that look okay? That looks okay. I can go for a little bit more around the nose. Alam niyo yung minsan mga hormones, mga time na pagpupuyat, mga time na sinisipon ka, it shows up here. Even yung mga problema mo sa buhay, everything shows on your face, and we're trying to hide it. And of course, para i-hide yung mga more problems in life, I'm gonna use concealer under my eye. So this is how I do it. You put as much or as little as you need. Huwag niyong sundan yung mga nakikita niyo sa YouTube videos telling you what to do. You gotta follow what your face needs. And this is all I need. And I bring it up to my lids. Diba? Parang wala na akong problema. Does it feel like I need a little bit more over here? Let's just go for it. Blending is real, guys. You gotta blend it, or else no matter what product ang ginagamit nyo, it's not going to work. I have to contour my face just because my face is too wide. I'm gonna apply it over here. This is liquid, so we need to just blend some more. You have to blend this according sa shape ng face mo. So again, you don't just follow what you see online, because like me, I like to bring it down here dahil mapanga ako. And I'm gonna use another brush to blend it. This is a clean brush to kind of pick up yung mga ibang liquid foundation na pinatong ko dyan. I actually used another dark shade foundation, not a contour product. So just like that. And I'm gonna come back with my beauty blender. And then you have to do the same thing on the other side. Does that look good? So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Sobrang konti lang yung nilalagay ko, because you can add a little later kapag kailangan mo pa. Go back with a clean brush. Yes. So I think I need to do a little more blending here. And let me just use yung natitirang dark color foundation around here. So, pantay yung kulay. And maybe some around here. and bring it down to your neck. I'm gonna put a little bit of a lighter shade powder under my eye para lang ilock mo yung concealer. And forget na umiyak ka this morning, right? Doesn't that look better already? And we're gonna need some powder just around the face para lang hindi mag-move yung foundation mo. And I'm going to go in again with a little bit of shimmer. This is a bronzer. I just do it like this. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It really depends on you kung ano yung end result na gusto mo mangyari. And to me, I like bronze everywhere. So I am even gonna bring it down here on my collarbone. Then I look really healthy, glowing skin. Kahit na hindi. That's the truth. Not to me. Not to me. So of course, we're gonna have to tame the eyebrows. Try to apply kahit na yung natural looking eyebrows lang for today. Remember, my goal is just to pick up from how I look this morning, and maybe I can do better for the rest of the day. My eyebrow is not very hard to shape because, well, there's not a lot of hair there, but there's something that I can work with. So that's good enough, right? Kung hindi man pantay, gumalaw ka na lang ng gumalaw. Hindi na mapapansin yan. That's good for me. Was it good for you? So I'm just gonna go with this palette. It's by Tarte. And I'm gonna use my finger. Just use this one up here. And just press it against my lid. Fresh yan lang, diba? Kunyari you're okay, but you're not. So I think I'm just gonna choose another color from the same palette. I'm gonna try and use this one on the lid or on the crease. Shake it off, move your hair, tilt like this, look down, and try and reach that corner. Don't fall asleep. Where is the brush for my under eye? Found it. So the same color that I used, let's use the under eye. Okay. And the same brush, kukonect ko lang yung ilalim sa ibabaw. So I'm gonna look for my eyeliner. Where are you? Ooh, I found you, so I'm gonna use you. It's a black eyeliner by Clinique. I'm gonna use that. It's a waterline. I'm not gonna line my eye, but let's just see if it's gonna work with just a mascara. So I'm gonna use a lash curler to brighten up and open up your eye. So for the mascara, I will be using Benefit. It's this one. Okay. Sounds funny. I don't know if you guys want to know the products that I used for this look. If you like to know, please leave me a comment so then I know it's important to you. And I can do that very quick. And I'm gonna go for a second coat. Why not, right? So we're gonna move forward with some blush on the face. Where is my brush? And I will be using this and just get like a natural, subtle pink with brown undertone. And dito ko lang siya lalagay. Sa apple lang ng cheek. Really depends kung anong gusto mong mangyari, but ang gusto kong mangyari today is just to look okay and pretty, of course. That's it for the face. I have KYLIE, and let's do this. But I'm just gonna apply lip liner, I guess. Her lip liner just glides on the lip. You can tell may moisturizing effect. And these two came together, so match yung color ng lip liner mo sa lipstick mo. Oh, look at that. Look at the color of that. Alrighty. I guess I look okay now. Let me seal my look with this Shake and Glow from L'Oreal. I love this a lot. I'm all about shine. Gusto ko talaga yung parang nag-glow or healthy looking yung skin ko. So I use this even my body. So sa face, sa neck, sa body, sa back, sa arms, anywhere na nagsho-show, you can use this. And let's just go for it, right? And I love the smell. So I'll just let that dry. And that's it. What do you think, guys? I mean, did I look like I cried this morning? Still can tell, but I mean, I look better than this morning. So I guess that's about it. Press everything around the skin, and then it's time to go. So guys, I guess I'll see you soon. I'll see you shortly. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you whenever. I'm gonna cry again. At least I'm crying and I'm pretty, right? Guys, naman this morning I'm crying and I'm ugly. Whatever. Ow.